Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix no signal issue on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, and you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen and enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so open quick settings panel, just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so reinstall SIM card. So remove SIM tray and again insert SIM card. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update, click on backup and reset, and click on reset phone. After click on reset phone, click on reset network settings, enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last option is software update. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix no signal issue on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.